Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can activate your Netspend card online, which means once you activate it online, you can use it online. If your Netspend card is not activated, then you can't use it online, which means let's say you tried to use a Netspend gift card online in Amazon or in Netflix or in other places and it just does not registers, which means like where you enter your payment detail, your card detail just does not match and it says like incorrect. That's basically because you have not yet registered your Netspend card, and in order to use a Netspend card online you need to register it, and that's the process which I'm going to be showing you in this video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. So let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, you want to search for Netspend card activation. After you search for Netspend card activation, you can click on where it says activate your card Netspend prepaid account. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Netspend's card activation page. So wait for some time until it fully loads up. It might take a bit of time, depends on the internet connection. Loads up, it's gonna ask you to enter your card number and security code. So both of this information is gonna be on your card. Your card number is gonna be a 16-digit number, which is gonna be at the front side of your card, and your security code is gonna be a 3-digit number, which is gonna be found at the back side of your card. So enter the information by looking at your card. So enter your 16-digit number over here and then enter your security code over here. And if it is correct, your continue button will pop out like blue. Once it's blue, click on continue and your card will be activated. All right, just enter a correct number over here and it should be done. So that's how you guys can activate your Netspend gift card online, and now you can use it online after activating it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.